Hello everyone, welcome to Core Java session. I am going to make a series of videos where I will cover all the important and most useful concepts of Core Java that you should know. So as part of this first video, we are going to cover a quick introduction to Java, tools that are required to run the Java program and installation of the tools, and how to write our first Hello World program. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive all the updates of my videos. Let's start. So what is Java? So Java was developed by the James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the year 1991. Later it was acquired by the Oracle Corporation. Java is a simple programming language. Java makes writing, compiling and debugging programming easy. Before learning Java, one must be familiar with three terms of Java, that are JDK, JRE, JVM. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains the tools that are required to write Java programs and JRE to execute them. It includes a compiler, Java Application Launcher and Applet Viewer. The next one JRE. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE contains a class libraries, JVM and other supporting files. And the next important one is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and it provides a platform independent way of executing Java source code. It has numerous libraries, tools and frameworks. As we progress in Core Java, we will know more about Java. And now let us see what are the tools that are required to run the Java program and how to install them. So in order to run any Java program, first you need to install the JDK, which is Java Development Toolkit. Because the Java Development Toolkit will come up with the Java Runtime Environment, that is JRE. So let's install it. Open the browser, type Amazon Creator 11 download. Click on the downloads for Amazon Creator 11 and just scroll down. In my case, I am going to select Windows 64-bit version because my OS is 64-bit version. The quickest way to check your operating system, whether 64 or 32, just go to search and click on the about your PC. And here you can see that system type 64-bit operating system. So just click on it. It will download the exe. Once the download completed, click on it. It will launch the installer, preparing to install. So click on next. Here click on the next. Then click on install. It will ask you for the permissions. You press yes. So once you give the permission, it will just install it quickly. So it is completed installation. Finish. Now let us install the IDE cum test editor, that is IntelliJ IDEA. Browser, just type jetbrains.com. Click on developer tools. You can see here IntelliJ IDEA. Click on it. Click on the download. Then you can see here ultimate version and community version. We are going to download the community version, which is free. So this is enough for practicing. So download completed. Just click on it. Setup file is loading now. You can see that verify installer 99%. It will ask you for the permission. Click on S, and once you click on the S, it will launch the installer. Click on next and you can see the path here. If you want, you can change it. Select IntelliJ Community Edition, JetBrains, install. So it will take some time. I just pause it and resume once it is done. Installation completed. You can check run IntelliJ Community Edition if you want to run it. Finish. It asks for the agreement pop-up. Tick the checkbox. Continue. It is data sharing. Don't send. And now it will launch IntelliJ IDEA. There you go. You can see the welcome screen here. So here we have the options for creating the new project, opening the existing project and opening the existing project from the version control. Now before we write our first program, we need to do some configurations. By default we have the dark theme. If you want light theme, you can change it. So Darkula is the default theme and I am going to use IntelliJ Light because it will be good for our video purpose. And also if you want to click on the sync with OS, you can click it And then if you want to change your font, you can change 12 to 14 or whatever. And click on the new project. You can see by default we have Java and project SDK, which is nothing but JDK, and here you have the version Amazon Creator 11. We already installed it. So as I said, JDK is having the Java runtime environment, which will provide the runtime environment to run the application. So if you are not seeing this, you need to configure it. So you have to click on the add JDK, and so you need to go to the path where it is installed. So see program files, Amazon Creator, and you need to select this folder. You need to click on OK, and after that just cancel it. To customize, click on all settings, and under the open editor, and under that open general. Under general you can see code folding, you can see auto imports, you just unselect it, and this one, and one line methods also, because we are going to learn from the scratch, so we don't want anything auto import. Click on apply, okay, and now it is time to write our first hello world program. Click on the new project. We are already having JDK selected, so click on the next. So for now we are not going to check this create project from template, just click on next. Hello world. Here you can give the space, but it is good practice not to give space between the words, so give hello world. So by default it is going to save this project under the C users code idea projects and hello world. I am going to save it on my desktop, and here I have program Java. It is going to create hello world project for us. It is loading the project for us. You can see the IntelliJ giving some tips, so you can just close idea, src and java IE.yml files. So we are going to create our hello world class under the src folder. So right click on src new Java class, and I am going to give hello. So it is created hello.java. You can see the extension .java. Public class hello. Here public and class are the Java keywords. Public is the access modifier, whereas class is the keyword to define the class. We are going to talk more about them in our upcoming sessions. As of now, you remember public and class, you can see these both are highlighted in the blue color, whereas hello is the class name. So this is the way to define the class. So after you define the class, you need to define the main method. So what is the main method? Main method is the entry point for any Java application. So it is a method. So what is the method? So method is a collection of statements that perform some task. So we are going to learn more about methods in our upcoming sessions. So we need to define public, static. Again, static is the Java keyword. We are going to learn more about it in our upcoming session. Void is the one of the return type in Java. When a method is not returning anything, we will declare void. Then main. So main is the name of the method. Then you should open the parenthesis. Every method can have 0 or more than one parameters. Can define here, and here args. Here args is the parameter. As I said, it can have 0 or more than 0 parameters. Now let us print hello world. System, it is nothing but a package or library. So out is the class, and then we have a method called println. You can see IntelliJ IDEA giving Intel sense as you type in, and then you have to write hello world. We write strings using the double quotes in the Java or C#. Here you can see the green symbol, and here you can right click and run hello main. So as soon as you run, you can see what is happening. It will just debug and compile it, and then it will print the output. You can see here build is going on. So when you click on the build, you can see that here build output, hello world running, executing pre-compiled task, loading, and it is successfully built, and here you can see the result hello world. This is about our first session. In our upcoming sessions, we can see what are the data types available in Java and how to create the variables and initialize the variables and more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.